So hey there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to make all TikTok videos private at once. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, just tap on the TikTok application, and then you need to just tap on the profile icon on the bottom right side corner. So tap on that and this will bring up here. Then you need to tap on the three dots on the right upper side. Here is the three dots, just tap on it and then go to the settings and privacy option. And then after that, you need to just scroll it down until you find the activity center. So this activity center will be found at the content and display settings. All right, so tap on that activity center and now scroll it down until you find the option manage post visibility. All right, so you need to tap on this option, and now as you can see there are lots of video that you have uploaded into your profile. So how we can just make all of these private at once is very simple. You need to select these videos like this. First of all, just select this video and then you need to tap on the next button right over here. So tap on the next. If you just want to make these videos private, you need to tap on the only you and then just press on update, and it will take some time. So as you can see guys, all our videos got private with one click. So that's how you can simply make all TikTok videos private in just 1 minute, I should say. So thank you so much guys for watching and have a very good day.